أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn next 4 ayahs of Surah Yasin. First I'm going to recite this. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم. لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون. وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون. Alhamdulillah. So inshallah let's learn tajweed rulings of these ayahs. First is ayah number 39. والقمر قدرناه منازل. Okay. والقمر. Letter waw is connected to lam. This hamzatul wasl is not right. Okay. والقمر. Qaf and ra is heavy, but this meme is light. قمر. This qaf and ra should sound somewhat like o. Okay. قمر. But this meme will be light. A kind of sound. والقمر قدرناه. Make it heavy and also don't pronounce it like a kha or kaf. Da with tajdeed. Put a force on it, emphasize it, put a stress. قدر. Ra sakin heavy. قدرناه. Noon to haraka. قدرناه منازل. Noon for two count here. Za with a buzzing sound. Manazila. Hatta. Ha very sharp. It is not hatta. If you say hatta, the meaning will be completely wrong. Hatta. Put a stress here because there is tajdeed. Emphasize it and also stretch it for two haraka due to the alif maqsura. Also you can say standing fatha. Hatta. عاد. Very softly. You should not press it so much like this is wrong. عاد. Okay, two haraka. عاد كالعرجون. Kaf is connected to lam. There is a alif here. Actually, this is hamzatul wasl. Okay. عاد كالعرجون. Ain clear, not u. It is ain. Ra sakin heavy. عاد كالعرجون. Jim for two haraka. عاد كالعرجون القديم. Noon is connected to lam. عرجون القديم. It is not khadim or kadim. It is qa. Okay, you have to be very clear about qaf. Qadim. Meme with sakin, and here you can stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 haraka inshallah. والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم. لا الشمس ينبغي لها. La shamsu. This word is la, stretched for 2 haraka, and this is ash-shamsu. But now the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl due to iltiqai sakinain. This alif maddi of lam alif will be cancelled. We will connect lam directly to sheen. Alif madya is not read, hamzatul wasl is not read, this lam shamsiya is not read. Now you won't say la shamsu, this is wrong. Lashamsu, okay? Lashamsu, sheen with a shushing sound, meme with no gunna. Just pronounce it clearly. It is not lashamsu, this is wrong. Lashamsu, shamsu, okay? Lashamsu. And few sisters have a habit of stretching the last letter of every word, like lashamsu yambaghi laha. In this way, stretching the last letter of each word is wrong. You'll have to stretch only where it is required, okay? Don't stretch this. Lashamsu yambaghi. Noon sakin followed by ba. Convert this noon into meme. That is called as iqlab with 2 count gunna. You will not recite noon now. You won't say yan. Instead, you will pronounce meme like yambaghi. Okay? Yambaghi. Ghain for 2 count. Laha. Lam is here. You can see the lam here. This is ha attached to the lam, and you'll have to stretch it for either 2 haraka or 4 to 5 haraka. It is better to keep it 4 haraka because mad due to hamza, the duration of mad due to hamza is 4 count, okay? Mad al ja is munfasil. Laha tudrika. Noon sakin followed by ta. Then you'll have to do ikhfa there. Hiding noon in nasal cavity for 2 haraka. Antu, not antu. Tudrika. Tud, dal with the qalqala. Tud, bounce its sound like tud. Just don't say tudrika. Tudrika is wrong. Tudrika. Tud, bounce its sound, okay? Tudrika. Kaf is connected to lam now. Tudrikal. Okay? Kal. Tudrikal qamara. Qa, ra heavy, meme light. Tudrikal qamara. Qamara. Okay? Wala. Lam for 2 count, but now again the next word is with hamzatul wasl. Therefore, alif madya is cancelled. Lam is directly connected to this lam, and you will not say wala laylu. This is wrong. Wala laylu. Mad is cancelled here, okay? Wala laylu. Laylu, not laylu. Laylu is wrong. I kind of sound should be there, where ya sakin is pronounced in yaleen with softness. Wala laylu. Sabiqun nahar. Sabiqu, seen for 2 count, and qaf, don't pronounce it like a kha or kaf. It is not sabiqu. It is sabiqu. Okay? Qaf is connected to noon, 2 count gunna. Sabiqun nahar. This surah will convert to sakin while doing waqf at this point. Waqf means stopping. If you stop at this point due to waqf al-jayaz sign, the permissible stop, the surah kasra will convert to ra sakina, and you will pronounce that ra sakina heavy because it has alif madya and fatha before it. Okay? Sabiqun nahar. Stretch it either for 2, 4 or 6 haraka according to the ruling of madul arid lis-sukun, which is due to waqf, temporary sukun, and huruf al-mad, right? Alhamdulillah. Wa kullun. This lam has tajdeed on it, okay? You have to emphasize it first, then read this tanween by doing ikhfa because next letter is fa. Wa kullun fi. You don't say wa kulun. Kulun is wrong. Kullun. Emphasize that lam first, then pronounce the tanween with ikhfa. Wa kullun fi. Wa kullun fi. Fa for 2 haraka. Falakin. Here tanween is followed by ya. When tanween on nun sakin is followed by ya, the letters of yarmalun, we do idgham, right? Merging. Here merging will be with gunna. Falakin. Therefore, the next letter always gets tajdeed, but here in the Musaf you can see there is no tajdeed, even though you'll have to know that we are doing idgham مع الغنة. في فلك يسبحون. يسبحون. Very sharp. You can stretch this waw maddiya for 2 count, 4 count or 6 count by applying the ruling of maddul arid lis-sukun, which is due to temporary sukun, because this noon will now convert to temporary sukun. Noon with fatha will convert to temporary sukun. Yasbahun. Right? We are not saying yasbahuna, but while stopping we say yasbahun. Okay, alhamdulillah. لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون. وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم. وآية لهم. وآية. It is not وآياتun. Keep this in your mind. The similar looking words like ayatun, ayatun. You should not confuse and recite it on your own. Look at this and recite wa'ayatun. It is not wa'ayatun. Okay. Wa'a. Hamza is stretched but ya is not stretched. Wa'ayatun. Tanween is followed by lam. You can see there is lam here, due to which this tanween will not be recited. Why? Because it is getting completely merged in lam. You won't say wa'ayatun lahum. Instead you will say wa'ayatul. Tul, directly connecting that dhamma to lam, removing another haraka of tanween, because we are here connecting it and making idgham bila gunna. Wa'ayatul lahum. Mim sakin with no gunna, idhar al-shafawi. وآية لهم أنا noon mushaddad with 2 count gunna and also stretching it for 2 haraka. It is not just anna hamalna, it is anna hamalna. Okay, stretch it for 2 haraka. Anna hamalna. Ha very sharp. Lam with no qalqala. Noon should be stretched for 2 haraka. Hamalna. Okay. Zurriyatahum. Zal, no buzzing sound. Instead of zu, if you say zurriyatahum, the meaning of that word will be meaningless. Okay, don't say zu, it is zu. Zurriyatahum. Emphasize this ra and ya correctly. ذريتهم. ميم ساكن no غنة. إظهار الشفوي. Fil fulki. This is fi actually, right? 2 haraka. You can see here. This is also fi. This is also fi. But here the ya has sakin. Here the sakin is missing. It is just to indicate, even though this is ya maddiya, you will not recite it because the next word is starting with hamzatul wasl. Here there is ya maddiya, so you will recite wa kullu fi falakin. But here you will not say zurriyatahum fil fulki, is wrong. There is no ya sakin, you can see. So you just say fil fulki. Okay, because due to the ruling of iltiqa sakinain, we are removing that ya maddiya there. Okay, so in the Musaf you will not find that sakin on ya mad or waw mad if the mad is removed. How to recite it now? ذريتهم في الفلك. But if you want to stop here, then you will say في 2 haraka. Okay, في الفلك. في الفلك. Don't do qalqala on lam, especially lam with sakin. Many sisters do qalqala there, like في الفلك. This is wrong. في الفلك. Kaf is connected to lam. في الفلك المشحون. مشحون. Ha very sharp, or else it will convert to another ha. Okay, mashhoon. Stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 count inshallah. وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون وخلقنا لهم وخلق heavy lam light قافض قلقلة. How to do قلقلة؟ وخلق خلق bounce its sound. وخلقنا stretch that noon. وخلقنا لهم lahum. Meme is merged with this meme now. Idgham al-shafawi. Two memes come together. One is sakin, another is mutaharrik. We do idgham with gunna, that is idgham al-shafawi. Lahum min. Lahum min. Two count gunna. And also when noon sakin is followed by meme, even here we'll do idgham with gunna for two haraka. وخلقنا لهم من مثله. Okay, من مثله. And this way two haraka gunna. This letter tha with no whistling sound. If you say mislihi, then you're converting tha to seen and the word will completely change. It is myth, myth. The tip of the tongue should touch the corners or edges of your upper front teeth. Okay. Mithlihi, ha for two haraka. Ma yarkabun. Meme to count. Yarkabun. Ra sakin heavy. This ra sakin must be heavy. Yar, yar. But don't make ya heavy. Don't say yor, yo is wrong. Ya, yar, yar. Okay. ما يركبون. Wow for two. Wow madya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka according to the ruling of madul arid lisukun inshallah. وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون. I hope it is clear. Alhamdulillah, the rulings is very easy. What you have to remember nowadays, the common mistakes which I am finding in students is firstly that you are stretching the letters which should not be stretched. Especially at the end of a word, like here, if you take this ayah, وَالْقَمَرَ قَدَّرْنَاهُ مَنَازِلَ حَتَّى عَادَ. In this way, you're stretching the last word. Last letter of each word, and that is wrong. See, there is no alif maddiya, no waw maddiya here, and no alif maddiya here to stretch it. That is a major mistake. Another is in the ruling of ra. To make ra heavy or light whenever required is actually comes under lehn al khafi category, where even if you pronounce it lightly, where heaviness is required, you're not doing a bigger mistake. The smaller one, which is not allowed, I mean that don't change the meaning of a word, it is not haram to do, but still it is better not to do that mistake. Okay, so many are just ignoring it. Wherever ra should be heavy, just make it heavy. Wal qamara, the ra is heavy here. Qaddarna, qaddar, dar, ra is heavy here. Okay, and another mistake is in the letters. That is very very important. If you are reciting the letter itself wrong, then the word will completely change, right? So you have to be very careful. So a, especially ain and the qaf, you should not say kha, and letter ha, you should not say ha. Okay, these are the three main mispronounced letters. And also ghain, few sisters recite it like ga. In this word yambaghi, don't say yambagi. Gi is wrong. There is nothing like a ga, gi, gu in Arabic. Okay, it is only in English and Urdu, but in Arabic there is nothing like ga. You should say gha, gha, ghi, gu. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we have completed learning these ayahs. Now inshallah, let's recite. I'm going to turn your mics on. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم.
والقمر قدرناه منازل والقمر قدرناه منازل والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم. حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم. لا الشمس ينبغي لها لا الشمس ينبغي لها لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر
لا الشمس ينبغي لها
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار
لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار
وكل في فلك يسبحون
وكل في فلك يسبحون
وكل في فلك يسبحون
وكل في فلك
يسبحون وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون
وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون No whistling sound in letter S. من مثله ما يركبون والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل ولا الليل سابق النهار وكل في فلك يسبحون وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون والقمر قدرناه منازل حتى عاد كالعرجون القديم لا الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر ولا الليل سابق النهار
الشمس ينبغي لها أن تدرك القمر والليل سابق النهار
وكل في فلك يسبحون وآية لهم أنا حملنا ذريتهم في الفلك المشحون وخلقنا لهم من مثله ما يركبون Alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. So you all recited it very well, alhamdulillah. Make sure to recite it in this way, and especially letter ha in every place. There are many has here, right? So make sure to pronounce it clearly from the middle part of your throat with a sharp sound. Ha, hatta. Okay? Yasbahun, hamalna, mashhoon. And letter ain as well. Okay? Aada, kal'urjuni. Make sure to pronounce ain clearly. And letter qaf. Many sisters are pronouncing it like kaf. والقمر قدرناه قا سابقوا. It is not سابق النهار or سابق النهار. It is سابقوا سابق النهار. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts in this ayah, inshallah you can ask me. No? Fine, alhamdulillah. So inshallah you will recite these ayahs tomorrow. Let's end the meeting now. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جزاكم الله خيرا.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम वरहमतुल्लाह
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jazakallahu khairan.
وأنتم فجزاكم الله.